Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Okay, just let me put this up. I'm sorry because the other laptop actually is not working, so probably I cannot really see your comment unless I switch to here. Hopefully you bear with me today. So again, if you are here with me in this section over here, appreciate if you can type a one for me, or if my sound and screen is okay, please type a one for me as well. Okay, while I try to work out, is there any way I can access to the live Facebook so that I can actually check your comment or probably answer some of the Q&A? Right, I feel that lately I'm not sure why I'm using DG. In my office here, the connection here is so bad. I cannot even access to uh, Facebook right now. Okay, never mind lah. So I tried to see what we can do. Okay, probably like I said, I just going to switch on and off from here. Hopefully you all bear with me. Hello Ruku, thank you for joining me. Now, do comment below as well. If let's say you got any stock you want me to look into, I will probably write down. Okay, once I do my review everything, and of course your questions as well. Now again, if you are here, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. And of course, a quick disclaimer, this section here, I'm not intend to do any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade based on any stocks that we discussed in this video, make sure you got your own trading plan. Like for example, I definitely have mine. That's why I always emphasize the support resistance, which should be created in XIFU X chart. So for those that who want to access, try it out. Okay, go to XIFU apps, go to the X charts, live charts, interactive charts column. Then you should able to use this support resistance. So actually, this one actually is like to at least help you to protect yourself in case something go wrong. All right. So all right. Toyo went okay, went up already. I don't think I need to review anything. It's already 20% up. Okay, but yeah, looks like still got a show. I'm not sure. Okay, high volume over this area over here, but provided it make a nice progress later on. Okay, so probably I not really want to touch Toyo at the moment. Okay, now let's look into some of the stocks that this morning I posted out in Facebook and Telegram. For those that who are here, if you are not in my Telegram yet, yes, I welcome you to join my Telegram. From time to time, I will post some stock idea into it. Uh, if let's say there's any changes in terms of trusted, also I will post into that as well. Now, Optimax, I remember that I posted previously, but this is the time when I posted is back to uh, March. Okay, if not mistaken, if you can look into the XIFU column, opinion column. I think I posted somewhere around here after it gaps up. Very nice one over here. Then it closed the gaps. Okay, break up further with increasing volume. Now this is the one actually causing some a little bit of problem, which is the resistance area. So like I said, every time when you see the price goes up, hit certain resistance, or maybe it reverses with increasing volume, especially on down bar, candle widespread, okay, because it's wider than this. This is something like bearish engulfing. So normally it will cause a little bit of shake, or maybe they will make a deeper pullback. Okay, for example, if those asking Coraza today, right? Coraza, I think potentially it will happen a similar scenario as well. So for those that who are looking into Coraza, so maybe you want to expect them to make it slightly a deeper pullback, or maybe like in this case over here, they're doing a shakeout. So what it means by shakeout, right? It goes up. Supposing this is a nice area to do a pullback because exactly at the previous support, which is the gap down resistance to support. Hopefully you understand that. Then they drop below. Okay, drop below at the bottom here, increasing volume, reverse. Yesterday actually is a nice volume, but today break up quite fast lah. I haven't really entered yet because actually, if let's say it today still hold around this area, probably I will consider. But today make a strong gap. Okay, make a strong gap again. I'm not sure here will be a nice a main resistance area. Maybe sometimes it will hit, drop back, sideways, sideways, sideways before it goes up. Like for example, what happened to AZRB? What happens to Infotech? Okay, these two counters still worth to look into it. So maybe we will check that out as well. So there's one from Optimax. Now the other one that I posted out this morning is HE Group. Okay, HE Group also making a nice pullback after they successfully break above the resistance. Now this is current S1 level, which is the previous resistance area as well. So here we got some so-called challenges from here. Of course, here will be also another resistance forming in right now. okay, for me right now. So breaks up, okay, drop here, yes, high volume, but it's not that climatic. Okay, so I don't think something that I need to worry. So as long as uh candles, okay, now these few days candles over here, they continue to trade above the S1 level. Volume continue to show decreasing. Okay, I think this up here is still okay, right? So of course we prefer to for them to stay above S1 in order to show there is a potential momentum coming in later on. All right. So Wangtel also same thing. A bit disappointing yesterday. They tried to move up higher, but still can't. Okay, still lack of volume lah. Okay, this one. If you want to hold, you hold up. For me, I still holding. Okay, Zanta I exit ready. This one I'm still holding. Okay, I still feel they got chance, but just yes, it's extremely boring right now. Um, EMCC. Okay, EMCC something that is slightly disappointing. Okay, but if not mistaken, they also related to Go as well. I'm not sure whether anyone here can confirm with me or not. Okay, so I think they are also kind of like related to Go business as well. So hopefully, with the prices, Go prices, I think slightly went up a little bit. Okay, of course, Tomi also going up. Hopefully, it will bring EMCC along as well. So, yep, if I looking into slightly long term over here weekly chart, actually quite okay. Okay, this one actually quite okay, right? So here will be my previous resistance, which is currently potential. Okay, let me just erase. Okay, let me know if you got any questions by typing below. If you got question, just let me know. Probably I will answer later on. Okay, here is my pierce resistance. Potentially, it will retest somewhere around here before it goes up. So weekly chart low volume, fine. Okay, let's look into my FATA analyzer. Okay, not too good. So here, Prajowski F, okay, looks like the FA is not that great at the moment. Of course, technical wise, it's not that great, okay? So, well, if let's say I look into long term, still got, I think they are still doing a nice pullback, okay? But let's see how it goes. Okay, as long as low volume above support, I think it's still fine. So, yeah, EMCC become ready. Any others that we do discuss in the group, okay? So, for those that who following success I exit already. It didn't really hold nicely above the support that I'm looking into. Okay, but well, if let's say they do come back again to 20 MA with higher volume, I will relook into it again. So unfortunately, I didn't really make a lot from this. Okay, able to cover my fees and of course some small profit on it. But looks like they still got an opportunity. The reason why I exit because first of all, I some of the stock I start already sideways. I don't want to waste my capital. I want to get back my capital because I feel that market's too hot already. To be frank, I've been like running for 2-3 weeks. Potentially pull back my coming in soon. Okay, so that's the reason why I want to keep a little bit of cash. Okay, so second is that whenever they can break this, whenever they cannot hold certain support, they break back into this zone over here. Normally, this kind of stock will take some time. Okay, so like for example, Wangtel they try to break, few days stay above, then they drop back again. So until now still sideways. Almost 2 months already, they're still sideways. So yeah, there's a few reasons why I don't want to, I don't want to stuck my capital into this kind of counters anymore. So maybe it will somewhere sideways around here. So let's say here it do show strength signal, what we call sound strength signal. Yeah, probably I will relook into that again, right? For success. Okay. So Fiamma, okay, Fiamma still hold well, but this one also I exit already lah. Oh no, today goes up. Yeah, Baru yesterday exit. Okay, today goes up. Okay lah, never mind lah. It's okay lah. We look for others unless got some good opportunity coming in later on. Okay, then I will reconsider again to look into that. Okay, so there's Fiamma. Any others? Any others? Okay, like for example, MTech. I think MTech still nice lah. Okay, MTech should be okay lah. This one I think no need much review lah. I do talk about MTech a lot of time already. Okay, cow point as well. At the resistance level. Okay, macam mau break, I'm not sure. But so far so good. Okay, but this is my previous resistance. Looks like they crossed already lah. Okay, but here got some shooting star lah. Okay, so potentially it might make a small pullback. Okay, if you have followed my entry, I think somewhere around this level over here, consider partial profit. Okay, consider partial profit. I already took some partial profit already. So the rest, let's see how it goes. Okay, Notion. Okay, Notion yesterday made a nice movement. How about today? Okay, later I'll go into glove. Okay, let me know any stock you want me to look into. Okay, still up 7%, but this one I totally out already. This one I totally out already. Okay, so yep, if you still want to follow, I think no weakness so far. Okay, the reason I out because first of all it hit my targets already. I'm happy with the returns. Yeah, usually widespread candle normally it will follow by a pullback. So there's a reason why I think I don't want to risk anymore. I just exit. Like for example, all the glove. 2 days ago it went up. Okay, yesterday mostly they make a deep pullbacks, right? So okay, looks still okay for now. Okay, if you want to do, I'm not sure FIFO, maybe you want to do that. Okay, let's do into top glove. Okay, we go into some glove. Because glove, yes, the other day they shoot up after they do a reversal. Okay, uh, okay, but what happened is that yesterday immediately they do a deeper pullbacks. Okay, now like I say, normally I don't like to see when the price shoot up with high volume. Okay, sorry, with good news. Okay, so again, depending on where is the location of the news, this is very important because if the price going up already for few weeks or months followed by good news, normally you will see an immediate distribution. But I don't think Notion yesterday got any news, right? Can anyone confirm with me? Okay, sorry, just want to check your comments. Okay, Inari, sure, I will look into Inari. Let me know any other counters. Okay, just want to check, right? Today I got only 11 people over here. Now help me to share this out, please. Okay, help me to click the like buttons. So I'm not sure whether yesterday Notion got any good news or not. Okay, but like I said, normally I don't like to see whenever the price uh, goes up for a few weeks, months already, right? And then they shoot up. Good news. Okay, nope. Again, I'm not saying that they will drop but normally they will have some profit taking because of good news and the price going up already, right? So I'm not sure whether later on still got any news or not for the operator to continue to push. But yes, it's good to always at least lock some profit. Then if let's say we look at healthy pullback, maybe we can look into that again. So for example, like me Technovation, actually I still monitor me Technovation even though I exit totally. Because yes, I do feel that 2-3 days already they hold well. Oh, today's still up a bit now. Yes, yesterday actually I wanted to enter one. Yesterday actually I wanted to enter one this one. Okay, because after a few days already, I feel that okay, they come down a little bit already. Yeah, maybe can try a little bit more on this. Okay, but let's look into that later on. Okay, now let's go to Pullback. Okay, so Pullback yesterday, volume for me is considered high. Yes, even though it's lower compared to the breakout candle, but it's still. One thing I don't like is that they go up above the candle, then they close lower. Okay, they close lower. So this is again representing that still is a profit taking happening in the morning section. Okay, which is why we see that. Okay, so of course, let's do into hourly chart because this is trending stocks already. Okay, yep, I think immediate support will coming in somewhere around this area here. Somewhere around this area here will provide me a nice support level based on short-term time frame. Okay, so as long as it still hold around this zone, I think it's okay. But like I say, morning got a profit taking. So normally this level is a bit difficult to break on. Okay, so if you look into like others, let's try me again. Or maybe PIE or VS Tech. VS have here also got one. Okay, so maybe here also it's a bit difficult for them to break. PIE. Okay, or at least you wait for a few days to check is there any others that so-called this kind of candles. Okay, so PIE over here looks like no much. Okay, but they are doing a long period of sideway. Okay, so again, best is that you use the hourly chart to check where is the profit taking areas. Okay, now let's look into Hata. Okay, or if not, you can go to something that is more so-called lower risk one. Okay, I think like just now morning got someone asked in the Telegram. I think ES Cherub. Okay, yeah, we look into that some of the other smaller glove counter later on. Okay, So while Hata tried to push up yesterday, but today opened over here, not a good sign. Normally for me is normally like this kind of so-called hammer candles, right? The next day open, I prefer somewhere above, or maybe they close above. Okay, let's say below here, which means maybe they will still continue to test lower. Okay, so similar one like shooting star. Shooting star, if let's say it close lower over here, which means yes, this is going to make a pullback or distribution. But let's say this one close above over here, which means there's still immediate support coming in, price slightly to goes up. Okay, so this one is the opposite. Okay, price slightly to goes down. Okay, so far for me, still a bit risky to enter. Okay, so look into the hourly chart. Okay, I think same patterns. I no need to look into that. So this is kind of similar like what happened to Tokyo as well. Okay, now let's look into others like K plus. Okay, same things. Okay, but this one haven't really break the major resistance again, drop. Okay, so yep, daily support. Okay, I think we can aim somewhere around here. All right, but again, doesn't mean there's no chance for them to go up further. Just that yesterday is a big profit taking. Okay, so maybe they will need some time. Okay, sometimes it can take around like 1 week, 2 weeks, or even a month. Okay, to do a pullback before they goes up higher. So very important is that first of all, check where is the potential support. Okay, like for example, K plus over here, I think here would be a nice support to monitor. So a few things that I will look into, right? First of all, whether the the candles will drop with narrow candles. Looks like today start to be a bit narrow already compared yesterday. Of course, now it's still morning section now, first trading hours only. Okay, the next thing is that we want to see volume getting lower. Okay, best is that we can see some shakeout hammer happening in this area. So if let's say this happens, yes, I think there's still got chance to going into the next resistance. All right, so yeah, I think no need to be so kanchong first, okay, to hook into some of these growth counters, okay. So okay, now the other one, okay, this is ES Cheram. Okay, overall also in a nice accumulation. Okay, today again first trading hour is difficult to tell, but so far volume looks okay, right? So again, as long as above this support, this is a shakeout zone. We are still with the gap up over here. Okay, so I think it's still worth to look into it. Okay, HLT. Okay, HLT a bit similar K plus. Okay, this one also I believe today drop also lah. Right, so again, continue to watch out this zone. Okay, if let's say low volume, maybe we can look back into it again. So maybe we can check out some of the glove counters around next week, Tuesday or Friday. Okay, Tuesday or Friday. I think Wednesday next week is holiday, right? Okay, the other one that is not glove, okay, but very similar. I think it's Kobe. Okay, but Kobe, I'm not sure whether got news or not. Can you confirm with me? Okay, so this one also actually I'm waiting for a deeper pullback because this one actually break up a lot. Okay, but it's a nice break. Okay, I have to say that it's a nice break above this so-called previously this zone area here. Okay, a successful break. Okay, but normally this kind of break normally it would take some time for them to do pullback or another reaccumulation. So healthy break. Okay, on top of here, what I like about this is that there's no sign of weakness. There's no distribution sign, shooting star sign. Okay, it dropped. Yes, it dropped. Okay, but overall with lower volume. Okay, compared to this candle over here. Maybe there's one thing I wanted to see is that the price is close to 20 MA. Okay, so right now I still expect them to move sideways. Okay, but yesterday is a good so-called candle coming in. Okay, hammer increasing volume. Okay, hammer increasing volume to shows that maybe this is the area that I can watch out for potential support level. All right, just that yes, like I say, I want to see the price is slightly trading closer to 20 MA. So again, a good counters for us to watch out for next week. Okay, so potential wise, okay, so here, here is a bit close to the next resistance, okay, which is happening right now, close with the current resistance, so the next one maybe is somewhere around here already. Okay, 3 ringgit, so let's see whether got chance or not. If let's say pull back to close to 2 ringgit, area going to 3 ringgit, so we still got around 40-50 percent to go, okay, for Kobe. Okay, so there's quick one for Kobe. The other one that I think next week also I'll monitor for potential pullback is UMC. Okay, UMC actually show reversal sign. Okay, so here, okay, downtrend line, okay, they break, pullback goes up. Okay, so a second retest on the 20 MA, I think also this is something that worth to look into, okay, for UMC. Okay, all right, any other questions from the group here? Okay, today very quiet now, everyone. Okay, AG, is any chance to break out? Okay, so yeah, like I say, sorry, I have to come to this patient to look into your comment because my line here is very bad. I can access to my own phone as well. Okay, EG Inari, I'll look into EG Inari, or if let's say you got no questions for me, you want me to go into trade signal, if yes, type 1. Okay, let's look into Inari first. This is for Ruku, right? Okay, Inari long-term play lah. So right now also I looking into JF Tech and Grad Tech. Okay, JF Tech and Grad Tech. Okay, both also actually are looking for long-term. Okay, so over here, okay, let's look into so-called Inari. Okay, Inari so far is still above 40 MA currently. Reversal is there already. Okay, reversal is there already. So here we'll see downtrend. This is the tag all drop a lot. Okay, now here high volume, reversal, successfully test 1 round. Now they are doing the second round. Okay, but yes, patience required, just like me technovation. Okay, just like me technovation, that sideways for months, suddenly one bar shoot up, pop, goes up. So, well, of course, if you ask me right now, I don't see any sign of momentum yet. Okay, I don't see any exciting volume yet. Okay, but if you say that, oh, I'm doing this for long term, okay, then I think well, should be okay in this zone here. Okay, as long as weekly chart stay above 40 MA, I think still worth to look into that. Okay, so there's Inari. Okay, so EG, let's do into EG. EG, my view is still the same. Okay, if you're following my past few sections, right? But I haven't entered yet because first of all, capital is a bit limited already. Not to say capital will be limited, but I just want to keep a little bit of cash for pullback later on. So if you look into EG, okay, I use weekly chart. I think easy to explain because if you look into daily chart, it just sideways saja lah. Of course, you can play along with the support resistance, okay, which is good also. Okay, but if I look into weekly, I think weekly tell a clearer story. Okay, so of course, first of all, they break. Okay, first pullback breaks up. Okay, but this is an area that they actually cannot make a new high. Okay, but if you look into very closely over here, this is a very nice reaccumulation. Okay, so this is what we call reaccumulation, REACC. Okay, and in the same time, we do have this kind of shakeout. Okay, lately shakeout completed come with high volume. So like I say, shakeout doesn't mean that it will break resistance most of the time, but at least they will try to change the resistance. Like for example here, first round shakeout, they try resistance, double A, drop below. I think this one due to the weak markets we have on the weeks, break again. Okay, so setup wise, good. Okay, but against if you want to do momentum one, difficult to tell. Okay, difficult to tell because daily chart wise, it looks like good. Okay, but still they are in the long term sideway. Okay, but if you are planning to buy hold for a while one, that I think can both look into it. Okay, so FATA wise, okay, because actually I was also interested. Okay, but Practically F score is only 4 out of 9. Not very good, but of course not too bad as well. Okay, just neutral. Okay, so of course technical wise it's neutral lah because it's sideways movement. Okay, so that's quick one for EG. Okay, any others? Okay, now let me answer Ruku. Kobe, is it still in pullback or completed already? For me, it's completed already. Okay, the high volume yesterday. Okay, I looked into JHM. Okay, the high volume yesterday actually also showing that there will be a potential support coming into this area. Okay, just that personally for me, normally I like to see a pullback very close to 20 MA. Okay, because it's sometimes pullback completed far from 20 MA, even though it's completed, but they were still going to take time to move on. Okay, let me share with you if I got some example, if I can recall so that you got a similar so-called expectation. Okay, what it should be look like. Okay, later on. Yeah, I think somewhere around here. Eh, is it this area? No, this one far already. By the way, E and O. Okay, remember I talked about cluster and closures. Okay, COC. Who remembers COC? If you remember COC type A, if you cannot remember COC type B, looks like forming COC. Okay, this one can watch out. Share with you example. I like to share example on EMS because at least you all know what to expect. Okay, what to expect. If let's say this thing happens, that thing happens. Not exactly, but okay, let me try whether. Okay, not exactly, but this one almost similar. So this one goes up. Yeah, but this one actually close with 20 MA. So that's why they can challenge resistance. Or maybe we could later I got example I show you. Currently I cannot think of anything. Okay, let's look into JHM. I think JHM trying to close the gap. This is one of the favorite from XIFU EL. If you have following XIFU EL, yeah, I think this one you can ask him. Now, personally for me, normally I don't really like to trade below gaps. Okay, unless certain conditions. Okay, because not to say certain condition, or should I say that trade very close with the gap. Okay, let me see who is the one asking this. Okay, I'll look into the next two. Okay, the next nice setups. This is Hong, right? So Hong, if you are looking for entry, what I'm trying to say is that try not to enter very close with the gaps. Gap down, but I say gap is gap down, because gap down is resistance, right? This zone here is resistance. Okay, just like I think R1 tag, even MYEG, they try resistance few round already, they drop support, few round drop support, then finally they break up. Okay, but if I look into structure itself, okay, if you want to check the structure itself, I think structure is good. This bottom over here come with a very heavy volume. I think it's pretty obvious. Okay, if you look into that. Now, normally when the stock go deeper, probably at the bottom or all-time low, high volume is a good sign. Okay, for example, Shangri-La having that. Recent one, Toyo Venture, Toyo Wen having that. Okay, actually I didn't realize Toyo Wen having a so-called high volume. Okay, Toyo Venture. Okay, actually I didn't realize they're having this kind of so-called increasing volume. Okay, so that's why until yesterday it goes up with high volume, and I saw that, wow, okay, is very fast. Okay, very fast. Okay, so yes, if you ask me, maybe JHM will. Okay, but right now it's a bit close with the gaps. So sometimes when they hit gaps, drop back to support, yeah, expect this kind of movement will happen. But if you already enter periods, I think XIFU EL already mentioned 1 month or 2 months ago, if I'm mistaken, right? So if you're following, you got profit, yeah, you can actually try it out. Okay, since you already got profits already. Okay, any other questions? I think okay, DNext, yes. DNext also, reversal doing pullbacks. Okay, this one also not bad. Volume also quite heavy lately. Okay, so here, doing a short-term reversal here. Okay, notice they break above the downtrend line. Okay, hold well around 20 MA. Okay, and recently got some high volume or up. So for me, as long as, first of all, S1 must hold. If not, worst come to worst, S2. Okay, so this one you have to watch out closely. Of course, best is to hold above S1. This is the current nearest support. The next one is around this S2 area. Okay, S2 area. So far, good for me, as long as this zone here low volume. Okay, I think they still got a chance to try to retry again. All right, but DNext is always a so-called counters that lots of rumors one. Lots of people talk about it one. So again, when a lot of people talk about it, it's even easier to manipulate. Okay, what it means is that easier to pump down, shake up. Okay, so be careful on that. Okay, any other stocks for me to look into? Okay, no. Okay, if not, probably I just spend a little bit of time on my trade idea, because I'm looking for any stock as well. Okay, if not, we just want to end our section. Okay, JHM move up a lot already. CSGP mari lagi ya. Oh my god. Wow, this one really tak boleh mati Okay. This one I don't sure lah. The time I heard this one still can go up lah, but looks like yes lah. Okay. Hub Sing also continue to goes up. Maybe okay. Wow, high volume. Shooting star. Okay, tak apa. Okay, ScopeNet, SNS still jalan. This one not bad. This one volume completed but very close to 20 MA. Okay, this one maybe other momentum lagi. Main resistance, I'm not sure. To auto level, okay, I think it's also good. Okay, Genting M the other day make a reversal. Okay, after that didn't follow. Okay, looks like a nice reversal above 2040 MA. For those that who love Genting or maybe you're looking for something long-term one, you can look into this. Okay, SNS yesterday also pullback completed, high volume here. Okay. This one also maybe I will aim somewhere. Again, no rush. I'll see next week whether it can retry back or not. Sometimes pullback completed doesn't mean that it will straight away jalan. Like this one also goes up. Okay, here this candle here pullback completed. Okay, but sometimes it still will like this goes up. Okay, it will happens. So okay, synergy also strong momentum. Okay. I want to look for something that just started to break out and do pullback lah. Macam tak ada lah hari ini. Okay, Fiamma up. Oh, Armada. Okay, never mind. Maybe afternoon. Now it looks like still not so convincing yet. Okay, looks like this one not bad. Okay, deep pullbacks. Okay, sideways, lower volume around this area. Okay, today looks interesting. Okay, oh yeah, this one remind me of Marsing. Marsing today also 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, I think Eco will be similar like Marsing. Today at least this one I think we can look into that. Okay, Eco. Okay. Now, let's see whether got any other questions or not. If not, probably we will end our section here today. So once again, thank you for joining me in this section here. So if you haven't joined my Telegram, XIFU Telegram, you can join that. Okay, search Telegram. In Telegram, just search XIFU. We usually have a discussion over there. You are welcome to ask questions as well. I think currently our groups is getting more active. So definitely there's lots of members. We share some idea. Also, we discuss some of the so-called potential trade signal as well. Okay, trade setup as well. All right. So with this, once again, thank you, and I will see you in next week's sections.